Hi, this is Jordan Crook from MobileBurn.com, and today I have in front of me the TweetBot application from TweetBot. And just to give you guys a little bit of background information, Twitter actually asked a couple weeks ago that app developers would stop making third-party client applications for Twitter. And then last night, TweetBot released the TweetBot application. And this is kind of a big deal because in the media, we're already seeing people call this a major competitor to the Twitter for iPhone application. And in my opinion, it definitely could be. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the new features that are in this application that we can't really find in Twitter, and show you how this really streamlines the Twitter process for being on the go on your phone. So just from looking at the app, you wouldn't be able to tell that there's a whole lot of difference between TweetBot and Twitter for iPhone. The layout is basically the same across the bottom. We have our timeline, our mentions, direct messages, favorites, and search. And then we even have the same swipe to refresh action that is available on the Twitter for iPhone application. However, there are some minor differences here to this layout, and one of which is the ability to customize these last two tabs for favorites and search. So TweetBot gives us the option to use the retweet button or lists button here, and the same for our search. However, I would recommend leaving this the way that TweetBot has originally set it up, because TweetBot also offers actions to take us straight to our lists, as well as retweeting tweets that we are interested in. So most of the changes in this application, or most of the added features that might give it a leg up on Twitter, have to do with navigation. And so originally I want to remind you guys that in the iPhone Twitter application, you had to click through on a tweet to go to a separate page dedicated to that tweet and the details of it. And then if it had a link in it, you'd have to click the link there and be sent to a different page. Within the TweetBot application, I can simply click a tweet, tap it once, and it brings up an actions drawer. In the actions drawer, I can reply, retweet, choose to favorite this tweet. I actually do have an option for a dedicated page for that tweet if I choose the little eyeball button. And I can bring up even more actions by touching that actions button. I can bring up the same set of actions by holding the tweet as well. So those are some streamlined features right there. Another streamlined feature is the fact that I can change my timeline into lists, which is not available on Twitter for iPhone, and it actually makes the process a lot more enjoyable because I follow a lot of random people, celebrities to mobile bloggers to tech bloggers to just random news. And so if I click on timeline here, I can just go ahead and see what celebs are up to if I'm in the mood for gossip. Some other cool navigational features that are brought along with this TweetBot application is the ability to swipe left and right to get to conversations and related tweets. So if I swipe to the right, I can see Katie Couric and Ryan Seacrest's conversation. And then if I go back, I can swipe to the left and see any related tweets that are on Twitter right now. I can also double tap on any piece of information within a tweet. Let's say it's a link or a picture. And from there, it'll send me directly to that link. No need to page through like on the Twitter for iPhone application. Here is the link that he sent us. Composing messages is a little bit different as well. So I can go into Compose right there on the top right hand corner, and TweetBot automatically retrieves my location. And then from there I can actually choose to manage my drafts with this Actions tool. And the only draft I have right now is the one that I'd like to use. So I'm saying shooting the TweetBot app review now. Stay tuned. I'd also like to add a photo. I took a screen grab of the application. So I'll throw that in. And then when I press publish, TweetBot is going to show me my sending progress. And as you can see, it went through, uploaded the picture, and then you can see the check go off right there. TweetBot also lets you post in the background if waiting around for that message is a little too tedious. So as you can see here, I can turn post in background on in my settings. Overall, this is TweetBot for iPhone, and I am Jordan Crook for MobileBurn.com. Thank you.